Hey second graders, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we're starting with this picture right behind me. So, it's a notice wonder. What do you notice and what do you wonder? So I want everyone to hit pause and I want you to make a list of all the things that you notice and wonder. Okay, hit pause and I'm going to make my list while you make your list. Okay, here we go. You guys, the more I thought about it, the more I noticed. How about you? Did you notice a lot of things? At first, I thought I was going to count by fours. And then I thought, maybe I'll count by twos. So I went like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I had 5 groups of 2 at the top. Let's see. 5 groups of 2. Can you guys see the orange? Let me look. Yes! Okay, so 5 groups of 2 made 10. Okay, so maybe you noticed if this is a group of 10, then this must be double 10 because you have another set. So now we've got another 5 groups of 2 makes 10. Or we might think about it as 10 groups. I better use a different color. I feel like the orange is kind of fading away. Actually, I've got another orange. Let's see if this one works. 10 groups. No. Groups of 2 makes 20. Did anybody notice that? And then, did anyone wonder why these 2 are just hanging out? They're not in a group. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Maybe you noticed that. 5 groups with 4 dots per group with 2 leftovers. What are they doing? They didn't get a group. It's a sad story. Leftover. There we go. Did anybody notice that? Let's see. Okay, so raise your hand if you decided to try to count by fours. Raise your hand. Did you do it? It makes it a lot easier when you think of a 4 as a group of a 2 and 2 more, right? So if you were to show me on your fingers the number 4, lots of us would go like this, right? But some of us would go like this. So a group of 4 is made up of a 2 and a 2, right? So maybe you decided to count by 4s, but carefully use 2s. So let's see if we can count by 4s. All right, try it with me. Ready? 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So we landed on 20, but now we have to do the plus 2, right? Because there was a little plus 2 right there. It didn't make it into the group. So that makes 22. 22 all together. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. All right, count it with me again. Ready? I like to put things to a beat. I get a little wild when I'm doing my math. Ready? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. If we had 4 more, it would be 24, but we had 2 missing. They didn't get the group. Who is ready for the story problem? I am. Pick me. I got this. Okay. We are going to say hi to a teacher and a class today. So I'll give you a hint. First hint. This is a 2nd grade class. Okay, you probably figured that. Second hint. This class is at the largest school in Manhattan Beach. Okay. Third hint. This school has a view of the ocean. Aha. So maybe you're thinking, which school could it be? It is Grandview, and we're going to say hi to Mrs. Dodrill's class. Hi, Mrs. Dodrill, in your class. It's good to see you. I wish I could actually see your faces. Okay, here we go. Here is our story. Pack up. Mrs. Dodrill needs to pack her books into boxes. Okay, so imagine Mrs. Dodrill. She has a stack of books, and she needs to pack them into boxes. She has boxes, and each box can hold books. How many books won't fit in the boxes? You guys, the question's asking about the leftovers. I guess we're going to have to figure out how many books aren't going to fit in the boxes. Now, this has 3 lines in it, so I think we need to really take a look with a number set. Are you guys ready to hear yours? All right. Don't forget, you have to pick your just right number set. Not my just right number set, not the one I do in the story, but the one that feels good to you. Make sure you do that. Okay, here we go. 30, 4, and 7 is our first choice. 58, 7, and 8, second choice. And 115, 8, and 12, third choice. Okay, so I'm going to go with the first number set. So I'm going to put 30 here, 40, that's 4, and 7. Okay, so if you want to read along with me, you can. If you want to close your eyes and think about the story, you can. But the most important part is you have the picture of what's going on in your mind. All right, here we go. Mrs. Dodrill needs to pack her 30 books into boxes. Okay, so a stack of 30 books. She has 4 boxes, and each box can hold 7 books. Okay, so she has 4 boxes. Imagine that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now each box can fit how many books? Show me on your fingers. 7. It says right there, each box can hold 7 books. How many books won't fit in the boxes? Okay, so we know we're going to have some leftovers. The question is not asking how many books are in the boxes. No. The question is asking how many books will not fit in the boxes. All right, kids, it's up to you. You've got to pick the just right number set. All right, grab your stuff, grab your paper, grab your tools. Don't forget your tools, and hit the road. I'll see you next time. Bye.